very own Fox Business's Nicole Petallides is at right now, and we're going to be talking about the markets right now. Nicole, how are you doing today?
Right now, the Dow is down 23 points, but I'm doing pretty great. We've had a good week on Wall Street. We've had a ton of deals and things happening and lots of news. So it's been a very exciting week. For example, we had the Fed raise rates yesterday, which is what we anticipated. But now we know there are two more rate hikes coming in September and December. We also had the news that the judge okayed the deal between AT&T and Time Warner. Well, those move higher. That's an $85 billion deal. Now, the Department of Justice might step in once again and appeal, but it has caused a media frenzy. The media index jumps to a 3-month high. Every media company is to the upside, and I'll get to Fox, Disney, and Comcast in a second, but we are seeing all the media companies jumping because now everybody's speculating who will merge with who, and that's all to take on Netflix and everything else. So we expect a lot of blockbuster deals this summer in media, cable, and telecom.
There we go. Yeah, it looks like there could be, and it looks like a potential bidding war now going up with Disney, Comcast, and Fox, huh?
Yeah, so this is really exciting. I mean, this is something that Fox had okayed, the Disney offer that was $52.4 billion. That was a stock deal. Now you have Comcast stepping in with this $65 billion deal, all cash. So the questions are, will Disney fork over some more? Will Fox be interested in the Comcast offer altogether? So these are the things that are front and center, and what might get the okay more likely. So it is a very big front and center hot topic. And Fox, in the meantime, that is the parent of the Fox Business Network, is at another record high. In fact, it's set up for its 8th record close in a row.
There we go. And Nicole, it looks like a lot of people are continuing to still buy a lot at stores. And I couldn't believe this, though, that some of the brick and mortar stores outpaced their internet cousin, right?
Yeah, it's pretty unbelievable for the retailers. Like, we always think about Amazon, and Amazon's at a new high, Netflix is at a new high. When we think of retail, we always wonder how the brick and mortar stores will do versus e-commerce, right? Well, they've all been working hard on boosting their own positions online. Today, you have Tailored Brands down 20%. That is the parent of Joseph A. Bank and Men's Warehouse. Now, that is because their comp sales didn't grow as much as expected. But don't feel badly. Stock's up about 200% in the last year. And when you look at the month of June, we're seeing Under Armour, Kohl's, Hanes brand, just to name a few, Michael Kors, all doing so well, outpacing the S&P 500. So this group has done very well. There are some cautionary notes now that there are very high expectations of these retailers, but the stocks have killed it in June.
All
Definitely.
Right. And then on social media, Snapchat continues to grow, huh?
Yeah, this is an interesting thing. This is the Snap Kit. They have a deal now with Pandora and Snap, so you can send your music back and forth. That gives Pandora access to the millions and millions of daily active users over at Snapchat. In the meantime, Snap is working with Giphy and Tinder and Posh and a few others. So when you're on those sites, you can log in with Snapchat, and a lot of exchanges and partnerships, and that only makes all of these grow even more on social media. So this is what we're seeing, and Snap, by the way, has been a winner too today.
Yeah, awesome. And then finally, I got to ask you.
It's a good day. And the retail, yeah.
And then finally, Nicole, I got to ask you, I saw in your Instagram stories there that it looks like you had a blast there at Belmont, seeing a Triple Crown winner there. Justify got it done.
Oh my gosh, yes, we talked about that. That's right. And he's from Arizona, right? Bob Baffert?
Yeah, Bob Baffert, yeah, Tucson.
Yeah, so I was with Bob Baffert at the Belmont, sitting in the same room, sitting right there. He ran right by me when Justify won. What an exciting day. Triple Crown winner. It just touches your heart, and that horse is beautiful. I went down to the paddock. I was right there. I want to just hug the horse. He scored before the race. He is just gorgeous, and congratulations to them. It's nice to have a Triple Crown winner because you don't see those too often. So it was an exciting day.
No, you don't see that too often at all there, though. But you had a great seat.
I won a few bucks.
Oh, there you go. Hey, that's even better there. Icing on the cake. All right, Nicole Petallides there live on the New York Stock Exchange floor. Thank you so much for joining us here this morning.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
No problem.